Imagine this, every year, over 70,000 seniors in the U.S. pass away during sleep, many due to preventable causes. As we age, our bodies undergo changes that make us more vulnerable during sleep. It's crucial to recognize and modify certain habits to ensure restful and safe slumber. 1. Sleeping with lights or TV on. Exposure to light during sleep can disrupt melatonin production, leading to poor sleep quality. A study from Northwestern University found that even moderate light exposure increases heart rate and insulin resistance in older adults. Recommendation: use blackout curtains and turn off electronic devices at least 30 minutes before bedtime. 2. Unsupervised use of sleep medications. Over-the-counter sleep aids can have adverse effects on seniors. Research indicates a 54% increased risk of dementia with prolonged use of certain sleep medications. Recommendation: consult a healthcare provider before using sleep medications and explore alternative therapies like cognitive behavioral therapy. 3. Excessive daytime napping. Long naps can interfere with nighttime sleep and are linked to health issues. A study showed that napping for more than 90 minutes increases the risk of metabolic syndrome by up to 50%. Recommendation: limit naps to 20 to 30 minutes and avoid napping late in the day. 4. Late night eating. Eating close to bedtime can cause acid reflux and disrupt sleep. Late night meals are also associated with higher risks of cardiovascular disease. Recommendation: finish eating at least 3 hours before bedtime and opt for light, healthy snacks if needed. 5. Sleeping in a hot room. A warm sleeping environment can hinder the body's natural cooling process, affecting sleep quality. Experts recommend maintaining a bedroom temperature between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 70 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal sleep. Recommendation: use breathable bedding and consider a fan or air conditioning to keep the room cool. 6. Ignoring sleep apnea symptoms. Sleep apnea is prevalent among seniors and can lead to serious health complications if untreated. Symptoms include loud snoring and daytime fatigue. Recommendation: seek medical evaluation if experiencing symptoms. Treatments like CPAP therapy can be effective. 7. Sleeping on your back. Sleeping on the back can exacerbate sleep apnea and cause breathing difficulties. The Mayo Clinic advises side sleeping to maintain open airways. Recommendation: use pillows to support side sleeping and prevent rolling onto your back during the night. Sleep is vital for health, especially in our senior years. By adjusting these habits, you can enhance sleep quality and reduce health risks. Start with one change tonight. Your body will thank you. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Senior Well Hub for more insights on healthy aging. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. Always consult your healthcare provider before making changes to your supplement or health routine.